When a line stops flowing, the meter starts running. Financially, operationally, reputationally. Every hour of downtime compounds costs, increases operational risk, and erodes customer confidence. Pipeline isolation has followed the same philosophy for decades. Maximum safety through maximum intervention. Heavy machinery, large crews, long shutdowns, great complexity, and high costs. Until now. PeteStop. Insert. Inflate. Isolate. Repair. A smarter approach to live pipeline intervention. Smaller intervention. Bigger operational advantage. On a 30-inch pipeline, a traditional mechanical line stop versus a PeteStop could require 10 times the equipment, twice the personnel, 3 times the project duration, and costs over 5 times more. And as pipeline diameter increases, the advantage doesn't grow, it accelerates. Lower costs, smaller crews, less equipment, less downtime. In some situations, PeteStop isn't the better solution. It's the only solution. Out-of-round pipe, weak or aging infrastructure, internal welds, debris buildup, pipe bends, confined installation spaces. Where conventional mechanical systems reach their limits, PeteStops keep the project moving. Anywhere continuity matters, PeteStops create value from municipal water systems to oil and gas pipelines, chemical plants, district energy, industrial manufacturing, and wastewater infrastructure. Because modern pipeline repair isn't just about fixing damaged pipe, it's about protecting operations, maintaining service, managing risk, and minimizing interruption. The organizations that lead tomorrow won't be the ones that repair pipelines the fastest. They'll be the ones that avoid unnecessary shutdowns altogether. PeteStops, a new way of thinking about pipeline repair.